So now we just click on run and our simulator opens, right? So when I run, it will open up my app. And we will get our white background, but we get a click me button right here. So when you run, we get this, and I will click me. So when you try to click me, nothing is happening, right? Because we haven't created an action for our button yet, just quite yet. So let's go to home. Let's minimize our simulator. Okay, so then try to make it work. We will hear our storyboard. Click on the assistant editor right over here. You can close this, you can hide this, and you can close this too, or you can just make it minimize like this. Make a storyboard like this. Make it organized so you can be comfortable for yourself. So when you guys get this, what we have to do, you guys can control and drag it from the storyboard, from the view controller, or you can get it from here. First, we want to get the background. So make some spaces over here under our class and control drag to our view controller. And then we want to say it's an outlet. And for our name, we want to give it as, let's see, we want to name it as background. We hit, let's drag title, our image view, and say title image. There we go. We have created that. Okay, because title is a reserved keyword in the iPhone keywords in the Xcode. Okay, so we got our title image and we got our. Okay, so third, we need to get our button for our outlet, and we want to say welcome button as an outlet. We hit connect. We got our 3 IB outlets, right? Our background, our title image, and our welcome button. So then scroll down at after our did receive memory warning, right over here. Get our welcome button because we want to create an action now, right? So drag and drop, control drag to over here, and change the connection to action, and you can say welcome button pressed, and hit connect. Okay, now you guys can close your assistant editor by doing this, and just okay, let's open this. Let's go to our view controller.swift, which will be all our code. Right, our code over here. See? So we gotta make it our action to work. So what we want to do is we want to make when this button is clicked, to show this beautiful background and our logo underneath right here. So let's go to our action, which we called it. We say welcome button action. So what we want to do, let's call it as background that is hidden equals false. What this background that is hidden do is it will unhide the background. Let's comment and we can say unhide the background. Next, we want to unhide the title, which we can say title image is hidden equals false. This will unhide the title / logo. Next, we want our button press, so we can say welcome button is hidden equals true. Then what this will do, it will set the background to hidden. Okay, that's simple. Now let's hit run and let's wait for our Alright, so we got our stimulator running now, and our app will be run again. Alright. Okay. So we are getting a common crash, a common error crash. So we are getting a common error crash. So do not panic. What we have to do is let's stop our app. Let's go to our main.storyboard and into our hierarchy right here. Well, right over here. Go to our view and hit go our view controller and right then click into our view controller and go right here. If you see any warning sign right over here next to it, reserve because we have a title that Apple has reserved, right, as the keyword. So just exit out and the crash will be gone. So let's hit run. Let's see. Okay. Build succeeded. Okay. Okay, so we got our background. There's no background, and it says click me, right? So let's click me. Boom. You are getting this nice background. Welcome, Dev Webby. Yes, you get this amazing. When the user clicks on the click me button, it will come to this page. So we are finally done with our simple Swift 3, our first very own app. So let's do a quickly recap of what we have done in this video. So we have create user interface that we drag buttons. We drag a button. We got two images, one for the title, one for the background, right? And we have created we have created 3 IB outlets for each our code, and we actually used a name that was reserved and gotten a crash, which was a title, but the title is keyworded by Apple. So we just used a title image now for our keyword, for our IB outlet. So I hope this tutorial helped you a lot. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Swift 3 tutorials. And I will see you guys on to the next video.